Hello, and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, Bitcoin Cash suffering here as Bitcoin is coming down a bit. Anticipated sell-off for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and also Bitcoin Cash has so far not confirmed a low in place. 210 was the ideal target for this pullback here, for this correction, which started here on the 30th of June. And we still need to be mindful that Bitcoin Cash has not given us any evidence that a low is in place. So it hasn't really shown us a break out of this descending, broadening wedge yet to the upside. If it is one, it looks a bit strange, but it has never broken above this trend line, which would be important. And it also really never left our support area here and moved to the upside. Remember that bullish support ranges down to $182. And of course, there's no guarantee this will hold, because if you remember what we said in the analysis, this is a pretty bad chart. It's a pretty poor chart. And we're looking at, let me just zoom out a little bit. We're looking here at an ABC structure to the upside, basically a rally in a wave 4, which could lead to new bear market lows completely. Yeah. So as I warned repeatedly, any long trade here, when we talk about Bitcoin Cash, would be against the higher level trend. That's of course high risk. If we zoom out a little bit more here, you see that the rally from 2018 lows into the 2021 highs was just an ABC rally, and the move down so far was only a 3-wave move, but the move up also just corrective. So again, another ABC structure, which in all likelihood could lead to new lows, but of course that's not guaranteed. So one more high could be taking place here in this. Well, anyway, one more high can happen in the ABC structure. Yeah, one more high can happen. Just be aware that you're trading against the higher level trend, which is more risky. Because of this wave 3 low, which is November 22, we have an A wave up, we have a B wave down, and a potential C wave up, which could get one more high. Not guaranteed, but it could get one more high as long as we're holding the $182 level. But the way this is coming down now, it might, that was the dog, it might play out its bearishness earlier. So it's always important that we get 5 waves up anyway if we want to have a chance for something more lasting, right? Something that is more long-term bullish would need the following anyway. So one more high would be needed to at least complete a clean C wave. I mean, it can always break down earlier. That's just what bearish charts sometimes do. But if it really should become something more lasting bullish, we need one more high, one more higher low, and one more higher high. Then we could call this a 5-wave move to the upside. And then we can look for an ABC structure down, and we could identify then a more reliable long trade setup down here, a pullback setup. If we don't even get the next high, then we don't get a reliable long trade setup, because then we only topped in 3 waves and didn't even complete a normal ABC structure. I mean, it might then just be a WXY. So as I said before, I think I posted it to channel members at some point. The break below $180, or the $180 level, is basically the decision point, the pivot point between immediate death and delayed death, because long term, this is just not an attractive chart. I've said it many times, I've warned. Can't really do more than just warn about this coin. If you compare Bitcoin Cash to the Bitcoin chart, then you see that it lost like 90% of its value or something compared to Bitcoin. So long term anyway, not attractive, and short term probably also not. Okay, so however, as I said, one more high is possible as long as the $182 level is holding. And to really get something more reliable to the upside long term, a reliable information that Bitcoin Cash turns into an uptrend again from something that is long term rather bearish, it would need to give us 5 waves up first. And you know, we haven't even got 3 waves up, right? I mean, yeah, you can count that as 3 waves, but it's not an ABC. It's just a WXY so far. To make an ABC, it would actually need one more high here. So it remains that we have to search for a low here at around 182 because we dropped below 210. That's certainly not good because 210 was the ideal target for a fourth wave. If it breaks below that, then it already increases the likelihood of the whole setup breaking, but it's still in the support area, okay? It's still in the support area. And once we get a first small 1-2 setup here on a smaller time frame, it might increase the likelihood that this fifth wave is working out of the C wave. Until then, we're in a local downtrend here and could very well break. And 182 is that's the warning level. I mean, below that, I've got nothing bullish. Okay, but that's always been communicated. Okay, that's my update about Bitcoin Cash. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.